Alright, this is Nate with Logan Sewer Solutions. Doing a sewer scope today at 1421 North Logan Ave. We got access to the sewer in this clean out here in the plumbing stack. Get in here a little bit. Then I'm going to zero out my camera. We start out, looks like we're underwater right away. I was running some water in the laundry tub to try and get some good lubrication on the cord here. It doesn't seem to be coming from that. Yeah, it is actually. So this water here is held in the belly. The water's running from behind my camera and flowing the same direction I'm pushing my camera. So there's a low spot there in the capture, which isn't a huge deal, especially if you are a bath taker. Just flushing, 10-15 gallons of water every once in a while will help keep that flowing just fine. So it looks like we do have a little bit of a rough surface here in the cast iron, which isn't a huge deal. It still looks structurally fine. It's just not as smooth as it used to be. Another belly. Now it looks like we've got a spot repair, so we're going to switch to plastic. And we've got another clean out. Little spot repair. Sitting from up top, they didn't add anything. It was just a repair that they did. It looks like we're going to be switching to some black ABS. So they reused that cast iron and put new pipe on both sides of it. And we're going to switch back to white plastic here. Looks like we do have some roots coming in on the left side. It could also just be some debris buildup. I'm going to go and turn the water down a little bit. Hopefully we have a little bit better of a picture here. With a little bit less water flowing. So, yeah, you can kind of see some hairs coming through, but it's hard to say. I wouldn't even mark that as an observation, because if they are roots, they're so small. They could just be whiskers. Okay, here we've got it down into a 6-inch clay. So the 4 to 6 connection has been repaired, which is huge, because this is a big spot where roots will typically sink in. First clay joint, do have some roots coming in, a whole lot. Second one looks like the same story. A little offset there. Hopefully we were able to get by. Try to clear off the lines. Let's see that better. There we go. You can see the roots coming in there too. This one looks great. Finally away from the trees, it seems like. Clay's looking good here. Okay, you got a couple roots peeking in, but this connection is still solid. It's not separated at all. Not upset, so that's good. This one looks good. A little bit of an offset there, but not huge. Again, that's another really common thing to see in clay pipes. It's very rare that you get a joint that looks as good as this one. This is really good. This is what you want them all to look like, but they're just getting old. Crack there, back there. Here's our connection onto the city main.